I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and gathering facts. Update the OS and the app so you're not chasing a fixed bug. Make sure you have at least 10% free storage, and then restart. Once done, reproduce the crash while you enable logging or a diagnostic mode so you capture an error code and screenshots. These artifacts let you test fixes without guessing. Make sure to note the exact time and repeatable steps to trigger the crash for consistent results. Now you move into deeper fixes. First, clear the app cache and, if safe, app data or sandbox storage. Then restart the app to see if state corruption caused the crash. If that fails, uninstall completely, reboot the device, and reinstall the latest build to remove corrupted files. Next, check runtime permissions, network restrictions, battery or background limits, and required services or SDKs. Once done, run the app under the same conditions and observe logs for new clues or different error signatures. To finish, reset any app-specific settings or problematic OS network profiles that could trigger the crash and test again. If the issue persists, collect full logs, exact reproduction steps, device model, OS build, and app version, then submit a clear bug report to developers. Make sure to include timestamps and sample files. If urgent, try a safe reinstall or rollback to the prior stable version while waiting for a patch. If nothing helps, one key troubleshooting tip: reproduce on a second device to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.